Hello there, my name is Joanne Moss. I am the Director of Marketing here at Schneider Electric, and welcome to episode 29 of Hot Products in a Hot Minute. Today I have with us Patrick Casey with Schneider Electric, and he's here to tell us more about the Harmony module tower lights. So without further ado, Patrick, why don't you take us away?
Hey everybody, my name is Patrick Casey, as Joanne mentioned, and I'm pleased to introduce to you today the Harmony XVB7 Modular Tower Lights. It is a 70 millimeter diameter tower light that is going to replace our older, long-standing, but similarly named XVB tower lights. At its core, it's a similar modular tower light that stacks up to 5 different modules. We'll have 6 different color options with lighting functions from steady to blinking, flashing, and even rotating. But one of the newest core elements that is being upgraded here is we have a new sleek design compared to the old one. We'll have connected bases, including your I/O link functionality, a USB connection, a 5-pin M12 standard connection. These will have little M12 connectors that'll separate it from the standard flying lead wires. We'll also have some cool customizability functions with a programmable sound module, as well as a self-adjusting sound module that will go up and down about 20 different decibels depending on the ambient noise. So all of these new features and lighting functions are going to come with increased energy efficiency, as well as a brighter, more diffuse lighting that's going to look better from all different angles, really using that height and 360-degree indication to your advantage. So these are going to be the first of 4 different launches that we will have coming. These are already launched, and if you want more details, contact your Standard Electric account manager. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Patrick. That was very illuminating, and I really liked how you stacked all that information up for us. As he said, if you want more information, you want a quote, you want to see a sample, just reach out to your account manager. And always, please, as I ask you every time, like, follow, subscribe to our channel, and we will see you next time on Hot Products in a Hot Minute.